a civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas, Texas and Tennessee, at 12:30 p.m. on May 19, 2023, effective until 1:30 p.m. Message from LHHS-TV. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. 2 of our U.S. states are coming to an end. At approximately 12:55 p.m. CDT, there have been reports of people who have been turned into stones. Gather with your loved ones and pray out our final moments together. Pray to your higher powers. Your government thanks you for service. This concludes the final activation of the Texas and Tennessee's emergency alert system. May God bless you all.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be speaking shortly. Please stand by. The following message is being given authorization and clearance to the President of the United States government. At approximately 12:48 p.m. Eastern Time, there are many reports of the Valentine's virus, so it can report that the plague is as horrible as being colds. Humanity is experiencing the end of doom. Everybody's gonna get really bad into it. Rabies is horrible thing like that. And humanity's experiencing the end of doom. I am about to die because of this event. That this has been causing. The station will sign off for the last time with our national anthem. All residents of the United States, gather your loved ones and lay our final moments together. I selected a quote from the Bible we play over the emergency alert system. Psalm 23, 1-6. Psalm 36. Psalm 23, 3-6. For you are with me. The rod and staff accompany me. You prepare the table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup flows. And goodness and faithful rock will pursue me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord as long as I live. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. May God bless you all. And remember, we're all doomed. I love you all. Take care. Goodbye, everyone. This concludes the message of the emergency alert system. We will play the national anthem on all stations but one last time. God bless you all.